Hi guys, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Kirk.Blair and I'm going to show you this 2017 KZ Sonic. It is actually a super light unit. It's a 149. It is a pre-owned piece of inventory here at Guaranty. It's got a few cool little features. It's got this jacket feature on the front, and it actually is kind of a bike rack that they've kind of come out with as far as an aftermarket piece you can put on these. You're going to have your propane tanks. It has a power tongue jack. It's got a lot of nice little amenities throughout it, and let's go take a look. It's got latches with magnets. You match right up, it holds it up for you. It's got a big front storage bay there up under the bed. It has a front bed and a rear kitchen. And let's see if there's anything here in the rear. It's going to have a barbecue rack that actually swings out. You pull this pin and this pivots out to a different location so you can have your barbecue out back here. It's going to have a power awning. It's going to have outdoor speakers. And then it's got, fiberglass sided. It's going to have your hookups and everything here on the other side. It's going to have everything you kind of need as far as a trailer or anything like that on the outside. Let's take a look on the inside. So as you make your way in here, you kind of see the kitchen, and I'll have you show that a little bit there. You got the kitchen with ample counter space around it. You're going to have your fridge or stove, everything you need. You're going to have microwave, and underneath the fridge is kind of a cool area for kicking your shoes and stuff, a little cubby, kick your shoes or storage for dog leashes or anything else you need to put away. And then if you notice, it's kind of large in here as far as the small trailer has a big area. One thing I will show you before we open the table is you have your bathroom here. Standing corner shower there, storage in the bathroom, counter space, all things that are important. Let's see here. And you make your way up to the front. There's storage under the bed, there's storage across the front, and there's a TV that's behind this wall here on a swivel mount that actually swivels out so you can have TV to entertain and watch. And then there's a closet here on the side. Storage. This one kind of has a crawl over me bed, but you can almost get to it from the side pretty well for a lightweight small trailer. One thing I'll show you is it's got this flip up table here. Just flip it up, and then now you have your table for eating and dining on, and you can put it away and have more floor space. This would be great for somebody with a pet or a dog or something along those lines, that they could run around or lay down and have room to kind of get around, and then when you want to eat, you can eat and then put it away. And this is probably about it for this trailer. It's not a lot going on. It is a sweet little pre-owned piece of inventory. We have a lot of inventory here at Guaranty in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Kirk.Blair. My personal cell is 541-601-8742. Please feel free to give me a call, a text, an email about anything you want to look at out here, and I'm more than happy to help you. Hope you are also having a great day. Bye.